What if you could move through your day easier just by strengthening your core? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 10-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to create more ease in their body, all from the comfort of your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your chest, gently arching your spine, opening through your front body. And on your exhale, round your spine, drawing your navel back and your chin towards your chest. Continue moving with your breath. With each inhale, expand, and with each exhale, engage through your abs, coiling your navel back, waking up through your abs and spine. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, raise your arms out in front of your chest. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, working to bring your knees to touch your hands if possible. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, lift through one knee as you squeeze and contract through your ab muscles. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, tap your hands together under each leg. Adding a toe touch, inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, reach opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling your core strong while stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center, moving into a side leg lift. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, working to keep your navel back towards your spine, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility through your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, lean back at a slight angle as you lift both legs up, out to the sides, and back to center. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, with your navel back towards your spine. Feeling this movement activate your deep core muscles. Release and return to center. Moving into an energizing alternate knee raise variation. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. When you're ready, begin to lift your knees from right to left, adding a toe tap in between. Continue moving at your own pace, strengthening through your lower abs, hip flexors, and low back, while enhancing core stability and balance. Moving into a knee tuck variation, draw both knees in towards your chest and lower, adding a toe tap. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, using your entire core to stabilize this movement. Adding on, draw both knees in towards your chest and extend. Continue with this movement, resting when you need to, keeping your core engaged with your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your lower abs, hip flexors, and low back, helping to improve balance and stability. Release and return to center. Moving into a knee tuck variation, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Extend both legs forward. keeping your spine straight and your core engaged. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist, drawing opposite elbow to knee. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while activating your obliques. Pause with both legs extended, moving into a leg lift variation. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue moving at your own pace, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, working to keep your legs straight and strong. Feeling this movement, activate your lower abs. Pause with both legs extended. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong, lightly drawing your navel in and up while cinching in all the way around your waist. Slowly and with control, lean back slightly, and then use your abs to return to upright. As you continue with this movement, work to keep your back from arching, feeling your spine straight and your navel back, strengthening through the front, back, and sides of core. Pausing, step your feet back to center and maintain your arms. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders. Feeling this action, activate your obliques. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently stretching from right to left, keeping your core lightly engaged to support your spine and your weight even in your hips. Feeling this movement, re-lengthen your torso while gently stretching through your side body. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist. With your hands to your thighs, begin to alternate, rotating from right to left. With each inhale, lengthen your spine at center, and with each exhale, gently twist. Continue breathing deeply, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Maybe you're sitting a little taller, feeling more energized, refreshed, and ready for your day. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can find this series plus hundreds of more sessions for every level. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.